All right, hey gang, Nate Bear here, and today I want to show you one of my absolute favorite option trading strategies, okay? It's called the Lotto trade. Let's dive right in. All right, gang, good morning. This is Nate Bear, lead technical tactician for Monument Traders Alliance and Trade of the Day. And in today's video, I want to talk about one of my favorite types of trades, okay? Now, there are a lot of different ways you can sort of skin a cat. I don't even know where the expression came from, but there are a lot of different ways to trade options. There are aggressive ways. There are conservative ways. You can buy stock. You can sell to open calls and against your stock. There's lots of different ways to do it. One of my favorites are by trading what I like to affectionately call lottos. And I want to dive in a little bit today and kind of explain what I mean when I say a lotto. Now, a lotto ticket, I think if you think about it in terms of like going and buying a lottery ticket, the chances of you actually making any money are slim to none. So when I say lotto here, I don't mean it in the sense of like 1 in a million chance that this works. What I mean, and it's a short way of saying I'm trading a shorter dated option, typically an out of the money option, which is shorter dated. And I'm looking for a move that happens quickly, right? So these aren't moves that pay out over days, weeks. Typically, I'm in and out of these trades within minutes to hours. Okay. So a lot of times these are day trades. A lot of times these are saying, hey, we've got a situation where we think something's going to happen overnight and we're going to make a play looking for a gap up or a gap down. That's what sort of a lotto trade is. And I want to give you a couple of examples and kind of look at a couple of things, right? So one of the key components to winning on a lotto trade is you have to trade a stock that has movement. You have to trade a stock with volume. Okay. It's a key component. If you're trading something that is just sort of going sideways and going nowhere, guess what? You're not going to have a lot of success with a lotto trade because you're buying an out of the money option and you need price to move towards your strike in order to make money. Now, it doesn't have to get all the way there, but this is how you make money. And this is one of my favorite examples as of late. Okay, this is SanDisk. This is obviously one of the memory names. It's a huge, it's a big stock that moves around a ton. You can see here the ATR is $56 a day. Now, if you don't know what that means, ATR means average true range, right? And that gives us the sort of the range from the high tick to the low tick of the day on average. So that means that SNDK moves on average $56 every single day. So what can we do with that information, right? Well, one of the things we can do, and I love this topic for Fridays because Friday is my favorite day to trade lottos. Why? Well, we have options that expire today, right? So all of the premium that's been built up over the week has bled out of the options, and you get cheap options on Fridays, okay? Because there's only 1 day left before expiration. So what I'm talking about would be an example here. So this is a great chart in SNDK. And if I show you this 195-minute chart, we can see here, right? If SNDK were to come up and sort of break over the top of this trend line, right? Chances are it's going to retest these highs. Well, that's a move up to about 660 to 670. And you may say, that's crazy, Nate. But remember, the ATR is $56 a day. Okay. So if we get any sort of a tailwind in the market, and maybe OPEX Friday isn't the best day because it tends to be sort of choppy, but you can apply this any day of the week, especially now that there are, zero DTE options on all the indexes, as well as the Mag 7 having 3 expirations a week. You can do this on any stock with movement any day of the week. It's really, really cool. So, for example, SNDK, let's say today, right, this thing starts to break up and it takes out yesterday's high, right, which is around 625. All right. If we do that, we can say, hey, you know what? This thing could go all the way to like 650. 660, 670, because we know it's in this beautiful pattern with a squeeze, right? So I'm taking that TPS method we talked about last week and saying, okay, let's take advantage of that. Instead of buying a 3-week or 4-week out option, let's buy an option that expires today and try to catch that move like right now, right? So let's look at these $650 calls. You pick these up for say $3, right? And it moves up $20 pretty quickly, $25 pretty quickly. It's super easy to flip those out for 100, 200, 300%. Right, so we did this exact same thing in FSLY last Friday. We picked up an option. I literally bought it for, I think, 12 cents, okay? Friday option, right in through, where was it? Friday the 13th, right in through here, right? We picked it up right on this little dip in the previous day's VWAP, and it pops. And we sold it for 300%. It went to 1,000%. Same day, right? How many people have made 1,000% in one day? I've made 1,000% a handful of times in my career, and it's a lot. It's a lot of fun, but it doesn't happen often. We had an opportunity to do that last Friday right here, and we hit it for 300% in Daily Profits Live. So the trick here is trying to find something with volume, with a beautiful setup, right? It also, you can't just buy a random stock. It has to have the setup for it. And one of my favorite ways, again, to do that is to find these TPS setups that have these trend line break potential. So if we look at this in SNDK and we look at this trend line right here, we can see, right? If we break this, we come up here, this little flag, right? This pattern within the pattern, we can pop up here, break this trend line, and go retest these highs. That's a big, big, big move. Using options that have volume, using stocks that have volume, trading options that are out of the money. The thing is, again, it needs to work quickly, or it just needs to, you need to cut it loose, right? So it's either a situation where, hey, this is going to work, it's going to work quickly, or I'm out. So it is day trading, it's aggressive, and right, there are lots of different ways to do this, but this is one of my favorite. All right. So I hope this helps. I hope you found it interesting. Feel free to leave a comment below, and I will talk to you guys soon. All right. Have a good one.